is there. Alex, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Will you please explain me the difference between carbonate and sandstone reservoir? Because this is very important part, na, to doing this
Yes.
simulation jobs. This is very
Sir,
important.
should I explain regarding the matrix oxidization or the basic differences?
Uh, it up to you. Just explain everything about sandstone formation and carbonate formation.
Yes, sir.
What happens in sandstone formation and what happens in carbonate formation. Yes, so it will be clear for everyone because this topic is very important. Then we will move to the Excel part. So you start. Yeah.
Uh, Mainly the sandstone reservoir contains the minerals such as feldspar, calcite, dolomite, then quartz. In the sandstone reservoir, also may minerals such as clays and feldspar are in a large proportion. So in sandstone reservoir, we can use the mixture of HF and HCl for matrix oxidization treatment. But but in case of the carbonate reservoir, the main minerals are calcite. In the calcite, we can't use the HF, so only we can use the HCl here. And the basic reaction between the carbonate with HCl will as follow as CaCO3 plus HCl, which will give calcium chloride. Then carbon dioxide and the water will be also this side products. Uh, uh, and these all depends upon the dissolving power of the acid which we have been using. Yesterday, sir had told about the dissolving power, which is beta. The, I mean, in designing the sandstone acidizing, the main purpose is to remove the damage near the wellbore, and at basically the in the sandstone reservoir we ca the wormholes are not created, but in the carbonate reservoir the wormholes are created. Wormholes are the highly conductivity zones which are created to bypass the damage. That's it, sir.
O- Okay, Shubham. So one question I want to ask you.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
what is the ratio of hydrochloric and hydrofluoric acid in sandstone reservoir?
Ratio, sir. Uh,
The ratio of hydrofluoric and hydrofluoric acid. Yesterday I show a book. There is a chapter number 16, material acidizing. In this chapter number 16, there is a table. In this table, they show the different
for
different
typically, sir,
uh,
three
tables
percent,
and
3% weight, 3 weight per percent HF and 12 weight per percent HCl is used, which will be preceded by the 15%, 15 weight percent HCl preflusher.
okay. This weight is molecular weight you are talking about.
Yeah, yeah. So yes, sir. And also there may be
Okay.
conditions such that high permeability sand where K is greater than 100 millirc, in which that high quartz, low clay. There are tables, sir. 10%, 3%, the 10% HCl, 3% HF.
Good, 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 good,
Then
Shubham.
high feldspar for high feldspar, which is greater than 20%. We may use 13 point something HCl and around 1% HF. And also for low permeability sands, whereas K is less than 10 millidarcy, in which low clay, which
Okay.
less than around, I don't remember, is something about 4 or 5. We may use 6% HCl or and
Okay, no,
1%.
okay, no problem.
Hmm?
No, that's it. That's it. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Now it is clear for you that what is different between carbonated and stone reservoir. This is very good. Now I want to talk to Mr. Suleiman. Suleiman is there, no? What is
Yes,
this
sir.
damage? What is this damage? And what is this damage? And why we used to remove this damage? Which type of damage is there? What is this in carbonated reservoir? We do simulation jobs. We do stimulation jobs to remove the damage. But why? What is this damage? And how it occurs? You know that
Sir, can you please repeat the question, sir?
uh, we do stimulation job, and in our stimulation job, what we have to do, we remove the damage. Okay, we clean the damage. Okay, so what is this damage? How it occurs? And why it is necessary to remove this damage?
Sir, damages occur due to the under the surface of the earth there is extreme pressure and various conditions, sir. So due to that, various damages may occur.
Okay, and why it is necessary to remove the damage?
Because the damages must be clear then and there, sir. Because the well is very important for us, and we are investing a lot of money in that. So if there are any damages, means the
Hmm.
production will be disturbed, and we cannot get more efficient products, sir.
Okay. Anything else about the damage?
So maybe if there is a minor damage
Yes,
also,
please.
I mean, if it is not recovered earlier, maybe during the production it can cause blockage or make a major accident, if we say, can occur, and it can block our complete production also.
Hmm.
Is it?
One thing,
Okay,
I
Pallavi.
That
yes, yes, Jay,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Jay is there. Prashant. Yes, yes, tell me.
damage is also called a stinger. It is the rock that blocks the pores.
Yes, rock that cloud the boss. Yes, Vijay. Yes, you can continue about the damage. Yes, Pallavi.
Oh, Sami. Okay. So that, as he said, that rocks that block the pores, and
Yes.
that the same way, if we are not cleaning that rocks, we can't make out the extraction of the oil as a production, and so we need to clean it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So, at what condition? If suppose your damage is 3 feet or 4 feet. For this example case, if your damage is 4 feet, at what condition your damage is totally clean? At what condition?
Damage. Actually,
Sir, can I answer?
Yes, Prashant,
Hello?
you can try. Yes, Prashant.
Sir, suppose that today the production is 2000 barrel per day and permeability is 50
Okay.
meter. Then after
Okay.
some months, like 12 or 14 months,
50 watt? 50 watt, Prashant?
50 meter,
50 watt.
50 meter,
The unit name is millidarcy. Millidarcy.
millidarcy.
Permeability can be calculated in millidarcy. Yeah. So
Okay,
if you talking about permeability, you also use
okay,
the unit millidarcy.
millidarcy. Okay, sir.
Yeah. You can continue.
Sir, if after 12 or 14 months the production downs and it becomes up to 20 barrel per day and permeability reduces up to 10 millidarcy. and then we need to improve our production by injecting acid. And if the damage is suppose 3 feet, and after that we inject acid, the acid reacts with damage, and it will start cleaning, and there will a rise of 4 feet in height. So this is the procedure that we can increase our production, and that we can do to prevent damage.
And your penetration was?
Penetration.
What is your penetration value?
Uh, Penetration, I think, is
So,
I don't know.
How much depth,
So are you
depth will be occurred?
Yes.
depth, are you asking that how much it will depth will echo the same?
Yes, ma'am. Asking about at penetration, at what condition your damage is totally clean? वो condition क्या होगी जब आपका पूरा damage clean हो जाएगा?
सर जो
I want to know about this
हमारा
condition.
डैमेज 3 फीट था, तो 4 फीट तक अगर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा तब हमारा डैमेज क्लीन हो जाएगा.
क्या चीज 4 फीट तक चले जाएगा?
सर उसका लेवल होगा.
लेवल,
Yeah.
नॉट लेवल. कुछ और वर्ड सोचो, कुछ और वर्ड सोचो. क्या है?
हाइट है.
Yes, you can try also. Yes, Jairaj.
Yes, I'm trying.
Yes, Jairaj. Yes, tell me.
Sir, wormholes, sir.
Prashant, you can also try. Yes, wormholes. Yeah. जब आपके wormholes, when your wormholes is greater than 3 feet or equal to 3 feet, it means your damage is totally clean. Okay.
Okay.
The reason is why I'm asking you some questions for you, because to see how much you learned in previous session. इतना याद है तुम लोगों को उस चीज के बारे में, तो that's why I'm asking you these type questions. Now we are talking about damage. At what condition one petroleum engineer, Alex is there or not? Alex?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Alex, tell me, at what condition, suppose your reservoir pressure is some value and your bottom hole pressure is some value, at what condition your production will start? Which pressure is greater and which pressure is lower?
You are asking for well bore flowing pressure. So
I'm asking about in what condition when your production will start, which pressure is greater and which pressure is lower. I'm not asking about the name of the pressure, just give the name of that pressure, that for example this A pressure is greater and B pressure is lower. So what is A and what is B in this condition? In which condition your production will start?
like reservoir pressure is greater than the wellbore pressure.
Reservoir pressure is greater than wellbore pressure. What is the difference between reservoir pressure and wellbore pressure? Is it same or different? What is this wellbore pressure?
Sir, it will be reservoir pressure better than the hydrostatic
flowing.
pressure. For well to
Which
for
pressure?
flowing.
Hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is always same.
So for the flowing condition.
Not flowing condition.
For
No,
starting
no.
the production,
Now this
sir,
answer is not correct.
and
Yes, anyone can try. I am asking in what condition which pressure is greater and which pressure is lower. One pressure he asking about reservoir pressure is greater. Now this point is okay. And one pressure is lower. So which pressure is lower? They're talking about wellbore pressure. And so I'm asking what is wellbore pressure and what is this? So I'm talking about you.
sir, are
regarding
you
this.
talking
What is
about
this
the bottom
wellbore
hole
pressure?
flowing pressure, sir? Bottom hole flowing pressure.
No, I'm not talking about bottom hole pressure. I'm talking about at what condition your production will start. What is that condition?
Like
when
any
your
under
production will start?
saturation, like anything under saturation, like
Saturation is okay, but what is this surface pressure? Alex, what is this surface pressure? What
wellhead
is this
pressure you're
surface
asking?
pressure? Yeah, wellhead pressure. When your reservoir pressure is greater than surface pressure, or you can say wellhead pressure, that time your production will start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What is this bottom hole pressure? Why it is necessary, and what happens when we inject acid in bottom hole pressure? Kritik is there. Karthik is there, no? Karthik. Name of Karthik R MTech 2018. You give the answer or not? Okay, no problem. Any one of you guys tell me about what is bottom hole pressure? When we inject the acid, what happens in bottom hole pressure? For example, if the bottom hole pressure you can calculate is 3500 psi, what happens when we inject the acid inside the reservoir?
The pressure will increase.
कोई भी
Sometimes
अपना mic
the
mute
pressure will
करके-
reduce.
Sometimes. I'm talking about at the time of acidizing job, when acid will inject. What happens at that time? As pressure will reduce or increase?
Pressure will
So
be
the
reducing
pressure will
first.
Pressure will reduce.
Okay.
At that time, it will permeability
At the
will be
time of-
increase.
At the time of when we inject diverter will increase, and at the time
Permeability.
of
The pressure.
water will inject, what happens? The pressure is
Excuse me, sir. The pressure will increase, sir.
at what
when the
condition?
well is at
Sir,
When we inject water, acid or diverter?
sir, if we inject something into the well, the volume will be increasing, no, sir.
Okay.
So
volume
consequently,
is
the pressure
increasing
will
after
increase.
that.
Consequently, the pressure will increase, no, sir.
I'm talking about bottom hole pressure.
Yes, sir. The bottom hole pressure will increase, sir.
You can say if we inject acid, diverter, pre-flush, overflush, means in both times our bottom hole pressure will increase, right? Suryavansh, Sri Yogeshwar. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same thing you say?
Yes, sir.
No, this not happen. Yes, Pallavi, what you say? No, this is not happening at the time of injection. Yes.
So as per me, I
when the well is
I know that when it
the
is
bottom
about
will be
bottom
increased.
hole, maybe the pressure is I think so increase, no, decreasing. Pressure is decreasing. I'm just giving a tentative idea.
Okay. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Vignesh, yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So
Vignesh.
when the well is static, the bottom hole pressure is equal to the hydrostatic pressure.
Sorry. What you say? Vignesh. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yes. Yes, Harsh. Yes, tell me.
Sir, bottom hole pressure is basically
Someone of you guys can ask. Basically, yes.
sir, it is the pressure acting on the walls of the hole.
Right.
So
Right.
in a static
Right.
drilling process, it is equal to the surface pressure plus hydrostatic pressure.
Okay.
Sir, that is all I know.
I'm talking about when we. I'm talking about when we inject acid at the stimulation job, the bottom hole pressure. Today, okay, I will tell you, Harsh, what happens when we inject a water inside a reservoir. There is
Yes.
no change in permeability because water cannot increase the permeability or water cannot clean the damage. At that time, if your bottom hole pressure you can calculate is 3500 psi, it will remain same when we inject water. When we inject hydrochloric acid or some other acid, that time the acid will react to our formation, the permeability will increase, they reduce their damage. Due to this reducing damage, the pressure will start decreasing. Okay, because your permeability will increase. And what happens at the time of diverter? The diverter diverts the fluid to the lower zone, and they can also choke the permeability in for few hours. So due to this, the permeability reduced. At the time of permeability reduced, the bottom hole pressure start increasing. Same thing happens in post flush. If we inject water in post flush, the pressure will continuously same. Okay. Now
Yes,
this
sir.
point be clear for bottom hole pressure for everyone.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, this is
Now what is this friction pressure? Yeah.
sir. Did you say that when the bottom hole pressure, when we are injecting something or when the permeability is low, the bottom hole pressure will increase or decrease, sir?
No. When we inject hydrochloric acid or any acid, that time when permeability start to increase, that time your bottom hole pressure start to decrease. When your permeability start to decrease, then your bottom hole pressure start to increase.
Okay, okay,
This is
sir.
the main concept.
Okay,
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 Suleiman.
okay, sir.
Okay, what is this friction pressure and how to calculate this friction pressure, guys? Yesterday I show you the equation to calculate this friction pressure. What is this
So this
friction pressure?
friction pressure it depends upon the density of fluid and also the injection rate,
Okay.
fluid viscosity, and the tubing diameter and the
Hmm.
tubing length. From all these,
Right.
we can
Right.
calculate the friction pressure, sir.
Right. Okay. At logging time, when we start doing logging process, and that time we get the permeability. What is that permeability? The
That's the
horizontal permeability or
horizontal
vertical
permeability.
permeability?
Horizontal.
Okay. In all cases, KH by KV ratio is same or different? If you have
Different.
reservoir, 3, 4 reservoirs, different.
Different, sir.
Okay.
But different.
Okay. Okay.
Different, sir.
So, mm, what is this length of horizontal section and what is this height of reservoir at horizontal well?
The length is the total length of the well in the reservoir, and H is the thickness of the reservoir from which we are going to produce.
Okay.
Page on
What is this cased hole? Yeah, Vijay, it's okay. Your answer is correct. What is this cased hole?
Case hole is that in reservoir we put mainly four types of casing. First is surface, second one is intermediate, third one is surface, and last one is production casing. So for by doing casing, we are isolating our formation with our wellbore. So the fluid couldn't travel to the wellbore. So we do perforation for making a flow conduct conduct do it into the reservoir for producing our fluid.
Okay. For example, Vijay, our formation, our reservoir is height is 1000 feet. Okay, and you do perforation only in 200 feet. When we inject a acid, the acid will go all 1000 feet or in 200 feet only.
200 feet.
In 200 feet. What is the equation to calculate fluid flow equation in transient flow? When your fluid flow is transient in vertical well, what is the equation to calculate this pump rate distribution, or you can say Q distribution?
PWS equation.
Can you repeat the
Yes,
question?
Pallavi. To calculate Q means fluid flow in vertical well, there is a equation, transient flow equation is there
Joshi
in
equation.
book chapter number 3. Not Joshi equation. Joshi equation is in horizontal well.
So is it like
I'm
PWF is
talking about
equal
vertical
to
well.
PI minus 162 Q B
No,
mu
no, no,
something
no. This is your calculating bottom hole pressure.
pressure?
This is your bottom hole
हाँ,
pressure calculation. I'm
हाँ.
talking about Q calculation. Q.
Sir, Q equal to KH. Sir,
Yes, yes, yes.
so Q equal to KH PI minus PWF divided by 162.6.
Okay. 162.6 mu naught B naught. What is this mu naught B naught?
So oil formation.
Oil volume for
Oil formation.
It's oil formation
Formation
volume factor, which is
Volume factor. Yes.
Right. Okay, guys. Okay. Now more thing is clear for you now about the simulation job. If you have any question, you can ask me. Now I think most of the things will clear about the simulation jobs and what are the equations that we have to do using this, making the simulation model. I think this point be clear for everyone. If you have any question, you can ask me. So I will give you some ideas regarding this, and then we will move to the calculation part. Okay. Or in software part, it's up to you guys.
Sir, please explain that how to calculate friction pressure.
Friction pressure. Okay, there is a equation in chapter number, just wait, I think in chapter number 16. PF, Fanning friction factor. The name of the equation is Fanning friction factor. We can easily calculate your friction pressure, because when we inject our acid inside the reservoir through the top, there is some pipe friction also there. Due to this, we can easily calculate your simulated treatment pressure to this bottom hole pressure minus hydrostatic pressure plus friction pressure. We can easily calculate your treatment pressure. Okay, Prashant, this point be clear now?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is visible, guys? This is visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So first,
Yes, sir.
what we have to do, we just create project here. Okay. In this stream optic, there are two models. One is carbonate and one is sandstone. So first, we have to do create a carbonate acid-dazing. And here we can say a company will enter the project name. The project name is carbonate. Well name, there are different wells. So X100 is there. Field name, your field name is like in Barmer there is a Mangalam field, a different name field. So here what we do, we just put one student name for like future. What is this onshore field and offshore field, guys? Here there is onshore and offshore. What is this onshore field and offshore field?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Onshore means
Yes.
the risk zone in the land, and offshore means marine based, like sea.
Will you please more elaborate this part, because most of the students are mechanical and different chemical streams. They don't know what is how we can do. Will you please elaborate more and more about onshore and offshore?
So onshore is which is not done on the field, or we can say ground level, and offshore maybe under the water where we do the production or oil is produced. We can say
Okay.
So for onshore field,
So my question for the petroleum engineers.
yeah, sir. So guys,
अच्छा
onshore field
बताओ,
is
onshore पे आप लोग ड्रिलिंग करते होंगे क्या?
yes, sir. So onshore field we usually
ऑफशोर में
drill.
ड्रिलिंग होती है क्या?
Yes, sir. We'll use drilling, sir. In offshore,
Hello.
we'll use rig for drilling, sir.
वो मेथड क्या होता है जिससे हम ड्रिलिंग करते हैं? व्हाट इज द मेथड दैट वी हैव टू यूज टू ड्रिल दैट पार्ट?
Sir, for offshore?
Rig.
Yes, for offshore.
Sir, floating platforms.
We'll be going for shallow
Okay, the
depth,
floating
deep
platforms are there.
depth, like rig up,
For deep
then
depth,
drill ships.
Alex.
For deep
Jacob
depth,
are
we'll be
there. I
going
know
for
that.
Sir, there are drill ships, jack-up rig, and I only know two.
Okay. So here we select this is our onshore field. Now, you know what? In some countries, for like in India, we are using fields, field data like height in feet, depth in feet. So we are using this feet values and centimeters. But in some countries, like USA, they use metric system. Metric is in meter. So we make both models in both Munich system. Now come to the well profile. What is vertical, horizontal, and slanted? You know, everyone. So here we run the case of vertical well, or should I run the case of horizontal well? What do you say, guys? First vertical, then horizontal, then slanted. Okay.
Okay, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the completion type. Open hole completion is there. Case hole is there. One more. There are three more completion: limited entry, slotted liner, sliding sleeve. You know about what is limited entry? What is this limited entry?
In limited entry, we do not case all the reservoir. Means that for some portion of the reservoir is covered and somewhat is missing. And for slaughter liner, we normally use for if there is a high sand production. So for restricting that sand to entering into the wellbore or eroding our surface facilities, so we normally use slaughter liner. And sliding sleeve is that if we want to communicate between the casing and our tubing, so normally we use a sliding sleeve door for communicating between casing and
Okay.
RTG.
What is the use of ball in slot limited entry?
Sir,
What is the use of ball? There is a steel ball, no?
yeah. So in steel ball limited entry, if we want to restrict in particular perforation, so there might be number of perforation in the formation. So if we want to restrict a particular formation, so we use a ball technique which will block that perforation and restrict fluid flow into the tailbore. It is normally done when we have to do water shut off or restrict our gas entering into the wellbore.
Anyone of you guys will explain about the limited entry?
So basically
Guys,
the
anyone of
hydraulic,
you will explain about the limited entry?
basically the limited entry completion in vertical wells used to avoid the unwanted fluid flow, sir. Production such as gas and water.
Hmm.
And
Guys,
all the part has which I explained, sir.
what's going on? Okay, guys, this video is visible for you or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Now it's yes, sir.
No. Not visible. See this video.
Sir, it is of limited entry.
हाँ man. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. नहीं मैंने इसलिए काटा था क्योंकि मैं मीटिंग में हूँ. मैंने कहा एक बार बता दूं भाई को, कुछ छोड़ दे मीटिंग से फिर कॉल करता हूँ. ठीक है. समझ में आया क्या हुआ? ये पेट्रोलियम इंजीनियर कोई मत बता रहा. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ और लोगों से, क्योंकि पेट्रोलियम इंजीनियर्स को पता है. और बताओ सबको समझ में आया कि हुआ क्या ये?
सर
यस
सर ये परफोरेशन गन से शूट हुआ क्या?
हाँ,
ओके सर।
ये परफोरेटेड गन ने केस होल के अंदर शॉट किया और यहाँ से इसका पाथ बनाया
ओके सर।
फ्लूइड के फ्लोर के। अब ये देखो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स ऊपर की तरफ जा रहे हैं।
Sir, please do conversation in English sir, so that we can.
दिस पॉइंट भी क्लियर ना? हेलो हेलो
So will you please show it once again?
Is it clear for everyone? Once again. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Now
sir.
it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. तो ये हुआ क्या? सोचो एक बार ये हुआ क्या है इसमें? ये मुझे ना आप वो बताएंगे जो पेट्रोलियम इंजीनियर साइड से नहीं है। What happened when what you see in this video? What happens? Which type of this video is this? Okay, will you please explain me? Yes. The video will be good. Understanding our concept, please share it in Google. Okay. Guys, please tell me.
Hello, sir. What I understood from the video is as it is a perforated gun, sir, initially some chemical mixture was done. It seems like that. And then a coil type material were seen where it got maybe high pressurized or spark type, it went through a coil where the sparking, like, it is not sparking exactly. I'm telling it seems like that some coil type water material where the pressure that
It's a perforated gun.
okay,
It's a perforated
so
gun.
there they went and maybe pressure has increased, and with that gun there are small number of holes, and that acid or whatever it injected with a very high pressure to the land area where it create the holes. cracking has done, fracturing has done, like.
No. This is not a fracturing. Actually, one thing is that they create a path to flow of fluid. That's it. To do this, this is a casing. The casing is totally packed. They create holes inside the reservoir
Yes,
in casing
create holes.
where fluid easily flow. Okay. Now one video I will show you. One more video is this. This is a plugging perforation type. Okay. So in this, see how the wormholes will create. Maybe it will show in this video. See, just see everyone what happened in this. This is a coil, guys. This tank, this is a coil. Okay, here coil is entered through the XMS string. This is your horizontal well. When your well is horizontal, that time we need to do the black is your area where you get the oil. Okay, this is your oil area, the black one. This is your drilling bit, guys. The acid will inject. Now we plug that part. After that, what we have to do, we just do in upper formation. Same thing we will do in upper formation, like this. This drilling is done by through coil tubing. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
कुछ समझ आया आप लोगों को क्या है, क्या हुआ? क्लियर हुआ चीजें इस वीडियो से? कुछ क्या समझे आप लोग, बता पाएंगे मुझे एक बार? हेलो.
May I, sir?
हेलो.
May I,
Yes,
sir?
yes, Vijay. You can. Yes, yes, you can
Yes,
continue.
sir. So it
Yes,
is
yes,
same.
yes.
Yeah. So the perf and plug is same as limited entry. So as you know, in reservoir, oil, water, and gas are segregated due to this density difference. So gas will be at top, oil will be at the middle, and water will be at bottom. So first, I want to discuss regarding limited entry. So the limited entry is done for, as the name suggests, limited means a particular portion is perforated. As water is not economical to be produced and gas is very less, has very less price in market. So main target is oil. So as we know the limited suggests, so we perforate only oil zone which is at middle. Let's assume that if we have a formation of from 1 to 1000 and our oil is from 400 feet to 600 feet, so we only have to perforate that zone. So this is called limited entry. Same is for perf and plug entry, which is normally done in horizontal well. So when we start deviating from vertical to horizontal section, that point is called as heel, and the end of that horizontal section is called as toe. So what is in plug and plug, we do it using a Y-line tool or a coil tubing unit by which we set a bridge plug which is at the end of the toe of the horizontal section, and we perforate from end of that horizontal section to the heel of that horizontal section. So the zone that contains oil is perforated, and we can produce oil effectively. That's also.
Right. Good. Now everyone is clear for this part. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think this video is give you more and more clarity. I think so. Can I show more videos to you, or this is enough for you guys?
Sir. So,
What is that? What?
For more videos.
Give so more videos
Okay.
for clarity. Thank you.
ओके, जो लोग हमारे क्या बोलते हैं,
By drilling through the wiper plug.
जो लोग हमारे पेट्रोलियम इंजीनियर साइड से भी नहीं है, उनके लिए भी थोड़ा सा क्लियर हो जाएगा। मैं एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ, बहुत अच्छी वीडियो है वो।
The screen is not visible.
नॉट विजिबल ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir, visible, sir.
Sir, visible.
यस 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 यस, टेल मी। हेलो, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यस टेल मी गाइस।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you.
ओके,
Sir, are you going to brief us today about frac advance?
नो, Tech Advance is not my topic. Just I will show you about
Okay, sir.
some clarity how we can do this stimulation job. This how we can do drilling now, because some petroleum engineers understand about drilling process, but there are a lot of people from chemical branch and mechanical branch. They don't understand how we can start to do drilling. This is your surface casing, guys. This type of casing is done. After casing, we inject cement between the pipe and push through the top, and the cement will automatically fill in this zone. Okay, see the data, how we can collect the data. Guys, see how your data is come. Permeability log and porosity log are there. Guys, this is your wormholes. This is wormholes. The black one is in goes to upper direction. This is the oil, crude oil. This point is clear for everyone now? Or you have any doubt, can ask me.
Yes, sir, I have a doubt.
Regarding this, you have any doubt?
Yes,
You
sir.
can ask me. Yes, tell me.
Sir, you have shown a video in which there are some portions where wormholes are present, and there are some portions where wormholes are not present. So I want to ask that the oil is present only in that portion in which the wormholes are present, and not in that portion in.
No. At that zone, we do perforation. So when we do perforation, only acid will go in that direction. Okay, that times our wormholes will create. If we do perforation in between that zone, so oil will produce in that direction also.
Sir, suppose we are given a block, so first we have to drill a hole. Uh, we have to bore a well. So, what kind of well we drill first? Open hole or case hole?
It depends on the company here. Maybe he want to do actually from top to the bottom where you get the reservoir. Now it's depend on the company. Maybe he do like last casing, like production casing, he want to do or not. It depends on the company. Okay, but at the starting you do casing, cementing, then casing, then cementing. Same thing you have to do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But the last casing is production casing, or one more casing is there, liner casing. Okay. I think you are more clear for seeing this type of videos. So now come to the software side. Okay. Scores. Rashid, in group we already sent a book. Okay. Now guys, हमने एक project create किया था. We create a project. In this project, we use vertical well and open hole and bullheading. Now this is a reservoir data. In this reservoir data, there are two options. One option is you can enter LAS file that comes from the software, different software that provided by the different companies, and you can download Excel and enter some data in Excel and import it. Or the third option is you can enter your manually if your data is very low. तो विजय अपना माइक को म्यूट कर लो, एक बार से अनम्यूट कर लो और मुझे बताओ कि क्या डेटा मैं इसमें डालूं. ओके विजय. Okay, Vijay is not here. Prashant or Shubham?
Yes.
Are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. तो तुम मेरे को बताओ कि इसमें क्या डेटा डालूं यहाँ पे.
So measure depth 10,000.
Yes. 10,000.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Till 10,400.
10,400. Now
12,000.
what? What is the value?
12,000.
12,000. Guys, आपको एक चीज दिखाता हूँ. For example, if I enter here 9,000,
नहीं हो
see,
सकता सर.
our software say that TVD should be equal to from MD for vertical well. We select vertical well, na? That's why it say that. So 12,000. Okay. See what is
10,400.
See what is from MD. This is 10,004 is to MD. So here is 10,000. तो अगर आपने कोई गलती की तो ये आपको बताएगा सॉफ्टवेयर की आपने क्या गलती की. नाउ पोरोसिटी
30%.
30%. Okay.
60.
Permeability 60. Now zonal pressure
7,000 around.
Oh my god, it's too high, guys.
So +7.
Damage skin 7 is too low. Let's say 20. H by kV, this well is vertical
22.
and this is your horizontal value. The well is vertical, the acid wall goes this direction. There is no impact of KH by kV in vertical well. Okay, so we can take 1, 10 or something. Just click on save button. Now there is another zone. If you want, you have long zone, so you can enter more values here. And now come to the next part. This point will clear now reservoir data. Now here you select vertical well. So wellbore radius, what is the wellbore radius value, guys? Yesterday I told you the range. Just give me only one value. Which value I have to use here? Your voice is break. Okay, we use 6.0 inch. Okay. Now, production tubing diameter is always less than your wellbore radius. Here you use 6, then here we use 4.0. Okay. Now, friction gradient value. Here we use 45. Now, which acid we have to use? We inject hydrochloric acid. HCl 15%. Which diverter gas we have to use in base case?
Sir, VES.
VES, okay. And the remaining one in sensitivity, okay. Save it. In VS diverter, viscose SDVA concentration, pH is there, calcite concentration and maximum viscosity. These are the inputs, some inputs for this diverter. Now come to the next one. Okay, guys, which diverter you want to do? Emulsion or wettability change is damage is there, asphaltate or preference, deposition is there, open hole, perforation, a gravel plaque is there, or deep elbow damage. Which damage you want to select, guys? किस टाइप का डैमेज होगा आपका?
Sir,
क्या
deep
होता है?
elbow damage.
Deep elbow.
Deep elbow damage. Okay. In deep elbow, there
Deep
is
well.
2 damages also there. One is oil compatibility, incompatibility. Another one is formation water incompatibility. So which type of problem you have to face? Crude oil incompatibility or formation water?
Crude oil.
Crude oil.
What is this? What is this meaning of crude oil incompatibility, guys? What is mean of is incompatibility? कोई तो बताओ.
Two things in different nature does not
ऐसे मजा नहीं आता है. What you can say? Could you please repeat?
the two things in different nature which do not mix.
Okay. तो क्रूड ऑयल इनकम्पेटिबिलिटी हमारा डैमेज था. अब इससे बचने के लिए हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर सजेस्ट कर रहा है कि वी इंजेक्ट ज़ाइरीन और टॉयलिन. ओके. सो which acid you have to inject, ज़ाइरीन or टॉयलिन? Toluene. Okay. Toluene is injected at the time of pre-flush, and this is your post-flush selection. Which acid you want to inject in post-flush? They are list. Tell me the one name.
NaCl5.
NH4Cl.
Which acid?
NH4Cl5.
NH4Cl5.
Okay. Now, fracture gradient. In this case, we take fracture gradient as 0.75, reservoir temperature 180 degree Fahrenheit, rock density 2.71, leak of coefficient. Now, what are talking about calcite concentration? What is your calcite concentration of this part? Guys, calcite concentration कितनी रखनी है? Tell me the number.
40%.
Because this is your carbonate rock calcite is dissolved. So if calcite concentration is more, that time they gave more penetration. So just tell me which concentration you want to use in this part.
40.
40%. Dolomite concentration?
65.
How is it possible, guys? 100% से कुछ ज़्यादा होगा क्या? या तो 105 बैठ रहा है सब. How is it possible? मतलब कुछ भी वैल्यू बता दिया, but is not possible ना? I think some is 100 ना. That's why we take 60. We take 60. And damage radius? Damage radius. हेलो गाइस, देखो फिल करने को मैं फिल कर सकता हूं. मैं तुमसे इसलिए पूछ रहा हूं बिकॉज तुम बताओगे तो रिजल्ट तुम्हारे अकॉर्डिंग आएंगे. यार म्यूट माइक म्यूट करवा दो किसका है, बहुत ज्यादा साउंड कर रहा है. गाइस, आई एम आस्किंग यू सेम थिंग बिकॉज मैं फिल कर दूंगा अपनी मर्जी से डेटा, बट आपको कभी समझ नहीं पाओगे इस चीज से आप. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू, प्लीज tell me which data you want to require in which input. Okay, so tell me what is the damage radius. What is the value?
4 feet.
4. Okay. Now save. बिकॉज गाइस ये सर्वर अभी चल रहा है, थोड़ी देर में सर्वर बंद भी हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली। मैंने ज़्यादा देर के लिए सर्वर ऑन नहीं किया इसको क्योंकि आप लोगों को दिखाना था। यहाँ पे मेरे पास PVBT VIOPT वैल्यूज नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग ओनली नॉट अवेलेबल पार्ट। क्लिक टू द नेक्स्ट। नाउ कम टू द इंजेक्शन प्लान। First stage we have to do, we do pre-flush. What is the pump rate that you have to use for this case? Hello. Good evening. Dhanraj, actually I'm in meeting. Dhanraj, I'm in meeting. Sorry. Yeah. Meeting. I will tell you later. Yes. Guys, what is the pump rate that we have to use in this part? Okay, no problem. I
10,
use
sir. Volume 100. Constant.
Now, someone mute my mic. That's why it happens. I don't know the guy name. Okay. Now click to the save button. I think server is off. I told you guys, oh, do fast and fast, but most of you guys not give the answer. Okay, just now try to give the answer faster. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in main fluid, what is the pump rate?
15.
15. Volume?
Same volume to 100.
100 volume.
Okay. Now in diverter stage, pump rate.
10.
10.
100.
Volume?
100.
Okay. Now the second acid stage.
15, 100. 15 and then 100.
I think just wait. What's going on? Just wait.
So it's not adding it.
Okay. Pump rate is 15,
Yes,
na?
sir. 100.
Okay.
Now this will be
Now the last
post
stage
flush,
is
na?
post flush.
10 and 100.
Yes. So this is your data, and your data we start run this case and see the results. Every company, first when he check the result, they don't check your penetration, placement, skin, nothing. First he check what is the pressure change, because when your pressure exceeding your fracture pressure, that time the simulation job failed. There is something wrong in your data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first we check the graph. The graph is coming. Check the pressure graph. So guys, now come to the point, single graph. First come to the pump rate graph. Okay, जो pump rate that you have to given in the table. See, we start from 10 per bpm, now 15 bpm,
50.
now 10 bpm, now 15 bpm, now 10 bpm. Okay. Now come to the fracture pressure. What is the fracture pressure? Is 7500 psi. Okay. See
Yes,
the
sir.
value, fracture pressure. Right. Now see what is your bottom hole pressure. See.
So it mainly
The
function
pressure
of the
is start to
surface pressure,
decline.
no, sir?
Bottom hole pressure.
So it is acting on
BHP.
means upon
At a
surface
time of
pressure, surface ejection pressure, like that, upon depending upon the pump rate. So it's changing. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, yes. According to the pump rate, it will change. See, when your pump rate is 10, at the time of pre-flush is same, okay. But when we inject the acid, see the graph is start to decline. Due to the high pump rate, that's why the graph goes up. But if you take same pump rate, it will start from this point to decline. But your pump rate is high, that's why it goes up. And the value higher value is 3800. It is lower than the fracture pressure. It means your simulation job is successfully done. Okay, the pressure is start decline. After that, the diverter, the pressure is start to increase. Okay, then acid, they will start decline. Then post flush. This point be okay, clear one, everyone? Now come to the treatment pressure graph.
Yes.
See what's happened in STP. See, in treatment pressure, acid start decline, but when we see in bottom hole pressure, this acid stage is come to the top side, but in STP it will goes downward side. So it means there is something wrong in your data. This point be clear? Your bottom hole pressure, acid stage, and your treatment pressure, acid stage is not matched. Here your graph goes up, but in here your graph goes down. Now this point be clear, guys? So what we have to do, we go back and we have to change some values. Okay? I think we are doing something wrong. First try to check what we are doing wrong. Okay? Now what we have to do, we check, we
So
change the
change the
pump
pump
rate of
rate to 10.
HCl. We take constant.
10.
Yeah. I think server is some problem in server because server we have to restart the server. Now rerun the case. Okay. See here, straight, decline, then incline, then decline, then straight. Now STP. Is it same, guys? STP and BHP guys are same or not? This is your STP graph and this is your BHP graph. It looks same, na?
Yes, sir.
So now our job is successfully done. Now come to change the skin. How skin is changed? Here skin is 20 and it will start decline, then decline, then they decline. The skin will be 16.3. Okay. Now come to the penetration part.
So this skin is also not that good, sir. It is also damaged 16.
Yeah. See why it happens. Why it happens? Your fluid is divert the fluid. We is divert the fluid, but only in this direction. Okay. Now see what's happened in the sensitivity. Which diverter is best for this case? Let's see. I think is the red one is the best, no? Who is the red one? The red one is particulates. Particulates
Yes,
is best
sir.
for
Yes,
this
sir.
case. So what we have to do? Just change some values like check particulates in base case and another one in sensitivity case. Okay, and what we have to do, the 60 permeability is very high, that's why it consumes in upper layer. So what we have to do, we change permeability, we take 30. Okay, and see the results. What happened when permeability is 30? So I think the fluid will flow in lower direction also, and most of the top formation will consumed in first acid stage. Now check penetration. See the results, guys. Is it okay for you? When we use diverter, the diverter divert the acid in this zone. This point be clear now?
Yes, sir.
This is your first acid stage and this is your second acid stage. Now see how much your skin will remove. I think we take damage as 4 feet now. So in upper zone, it will goes negative. See, in upper zone, it will goes negative because your damage, it goes 6 feet. And in this zone, your skin is positive. So average skin remove 10. This point be clear, guys? Now come to the production part. How much your productivity index will show value? It will show 4.4 productivity index matlab. Now come to the table. See, the table says 10 pump rate is higher. You use only 8.35 BPM pump rate. Why it shows? Let's see what happens in this graph. Now our maximum pump rate is here 8.35. So we use pump rate 8 BPM. That time you get satisfied results. Okay, guys. Our model will show you which input, which value you have to use to run this case, because this 10 value high pump rate, that's why it say that this pump rate is not used in this case. Now rerun the case, guys. If we have if company not buy this software and they start doing this simulation job, what will happen? The company get lost many times, because we want to do changes and then run the case. That time we get the proper result. Okay, so that's why we need this type of softwares. Okay. Now check recommended job. Now our pump rate is lower than this. He told that if we use 8,944 barrels volume, that time our totally layer is totally consumed. He said 22.36 barrels goes in a single fit, and we use this fluid at a time of pre-flush. Recipe means some fluids we want to additives. The additives values are surfactant, H2S scavenger, corrosion inhibitor, EDTA, biodecoide, and the main pill and the post flush also. So these additives we also use to inject at same time. This one option is the report option is there. You can easily download all the graphs. They can create a PDF file like this. Okay, so the one more option is there. So now,
sir, could you send that
guys,
PDF
any question
file?
regarding this? PDF file means all graphs automatically download in PDF format. So if you want to send
Yes, sir.
The PDF image of that graph, we can download all the graphs in PDF form or in image form. Okay.
Sir, could you share it?
What thing I will share you? The graphs, PDF graphs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. We are not sharing because this is very confidential. So we are not sharing this type of things. Sorry. Any questions regarding SteamOpti software? Because what we have to do, we run a case using your inputs, but when our model says this thing is wrong, this input is wrong, that time we change that inputs and then time we get the proper result. This point be clear? We see the divergence technique also. So any question, guys, regarding this? Prashant, Shubham, Pallavi, Alex, Harsh. Any questions from your side?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Everything is clear, guys? Everything
Yes, sir.
is clear? Every point is
There is
clear?
the same procedure for all the. Sir, I want to ask that there is same procedure for all the petroleum software, petroleum softwares like TOR, Frac Pro, Stack Advance, and all that software.
Yeah.
The same procedure we have to follow.
Yes. Same process is done in all the softwares, but the UI design may be different. Maybe he required more inputs, but we required just some less inputs because some of the things we have calculated inside. So we required less inputs, and most of the companies required more and more data. So maybe, but the UI is different, but the purpose and doing this is same. They run the case, they change the values, they run the case, they change the values. When they get satisfied result, they use that pump rate and that volume of hydrochloric acid injecting inside the reservoir and the diverter. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, how efficient? I want to ask about this software, SteamOpti. How efficient is this from other softwares like CMG and all that?
Okay. What we have to do, we do some benchmarking case studies. We do some benchmarking studies like through ST papers. Some companies give me the data their own personal data, and then we run the case and we submit to that them, and he said that your result is more and more much better than other softwares. So we do these case studies. That time we see that our software is much more capable for other softwares. Okay, and the results are very good.
So
They give me
currently
the
now
feedback
Kane
of
and
our
ONGC are
software.
using. So in India currently Kane and ONGC are using the
Currently,
software, sir. Am I
currently
correct,
K
sir?
India, they are not using the software because
But
due to the COVID situation, we cracked the deal. But he said that just wait for a month, because when this thing is solved, we will buy, because we are very satisfied for these results. So we will move on them. And ONGC will start doing some meetings, and when the meeting is successfully done, that we sell the software to the ONGC.
yes,
And some colleges also want to purchase this software. Some colleges want this software, so we also want to purchase this software. So on that basis, Rameshwar sir will discuss
yes, sir.
different colleges. Any questions, guys? Are you clear everything regarding this topic? This is your simulation part, and today is my last session, guys. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. You can text me a message to
Sir,
my
can you
LinkedIn
Sir,
please
profile,
share
or
your
are you there in WhatsApp?
Sir, can you please share your number?
Yes, sir.
my mobile number. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, my mobile number is
Yes, sir.
968
Nine.
000.
Sir, put on chat box, sir, please.
Okay. I will, in chat part, I will send you a number. 968. If you have any query regarding anything, you can ask me, or you can, if my number is not ringing, or if I am busy in something somewhere, so you can send me message in LinkedIn also. Okay, in LinkedIn profile, you can go and easily check my LinkedIn profile. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Guys, this point be clear for everyone? Prashant?
Yes, sir.
Number, Shubham?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions, guys? Means you understand what is the simulation process and what is the difference between simulation and stimulation, right? Actually,
Yes, sir.
this is just simple. I will explain you only in simple form. When you want to do study in this part, it take 6 to 7 months. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, can you tell your job profile? Like, what is your main work in the oil field?
Okay. Actually, I'm a reservoir simulation engineer.
Sir, then, like, do you know the basic knowledge of geology?
Yes, I have some basic knowledge of geology, because at
Okay,
the time of engineering I studied the geology part. I have some basic knowledge about the geology part.
okay, sir.
Sir, please give a detailed intro.
Details for what?
About yourself, sir. Please give a detailed intro.
Okay, detail intro. Okay, guys, my name is Adib. Actually, I'm a petroleum engineer, and I'm working this Stream Optis software past 4 years. And me and my team will develop this software, and I do meetings with a lot of big companies like Kane India, in Oil India, ONGC, and some companies are in like Mexico company, some Sprint, you don't know about the Sprint name company. There is a one Sprint company is there. Mask Oil is there. Chevron is there. So we do meetings for all these companies. We prepare the case studies for this company, and so I have an experience of this simulation job in 4 years. Okay, before doing this job, what we do, we go to the Chennai and we work in refinery for 6 months. But I am a North Indian, but the South is not, the environment is not good for me, so I'm coming back and we do this job. Okay, so I have little bit knowledge of refinery also, because I am working 6 months in FCDD, fluid catalytic cracking unit also. I'm working in that company. Okay.
Sir, what is your location?
My location is Noida.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Guys, have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
Bye, everyone. Yes, yes, Suleiman, yes.
Sir, how did you end up joining Intern Expert, sir? Because we don't see your name in the mentors list. And how is that, sir?
Okay. Actually, Rameshwar Paswan is there, na? Rameshwar Paswan is the CEO of our company. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. So Petroleum Soft is a part of Intern Expert. So I am also part of Petroleum Soft. So I am the mentor for you guys. Okay. I have very maximum knowledge in this stimulation software, because I prepare this software and our team will prepare this software. So I will explain you more and more in deeper. Okay, guys. That's why I teach you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, one more question.
Okay, Suleiman. Yes, Prashant.
Sir, what are the various fields that we can join up through this Intern Expert?
I think sorry for that, because this question answer what I'm giving you. Prashant, you can call me in that time. I will
Yes,
give you
sir.
the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
guys, everyone. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Sir, bye.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.